Hello YouTubers, this is your host from GuzzTechno with a review of MIUI 11 MiRoom for your Poco F1. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So this is the version 9.11.29 beta based on Android 10 with Android security patch level 1st November. As you all know, 9.11.21 version, which was released before this, came with Revolution kernel as default, and it had pretty awesome battery backup. But this one comes with Optimus Drunk kernel, which caused a very high drain during the first day of the usage. So I decided to switch to Revolution kernel. Everything was working fine except the camera module wasn't working. So I have decided to use Pendulum kernel, and it's been great so far. As you can see, the active drain is 11%, idle drain 0.56%, screen on 3 hour 27 minutes, screen off 10 hour 43 minutes, and deep sleep is 10 hour 2 minutes. So that's 93.57%, which is quite good. That means there aren't many wake locks. And I'll be sharing few features which are exclusive to MIUI 11. So as you can see, the WhatsApp here is blurred out, so you can select which apps you want to blur out, and it really works well. So I'll show you how it works. So if you go to clock, go to app info, and you select blur app previews, right? So right now I'll turn it off. It's a very easy way to hide your private stuff. If you are just browsing your phone in a public and you don't want your messages or someone snooping onto your messages, it's really great. Then you have casting feature. So if you enable casting feature from the status bar, you get this notification, and then you can connect your phone, or you can cast the screen to your smart TV or Fire Stick, and then you'll get a little notification like this to explain the new features such as minimize window. Let's say I'm playing a video and I want to keep casting that video, but I want to use some other apps on my phone which I don't want to be casted. I'll choose minimize window, and then that video will minimize to the right hand side corner, and I can keep on using the phone as usual while the video plays on the TV. Cast with screen off, it's a real battery saver, and hide private items is enabled by default, and it appears something like this. Alright, and there are some other basic MIUI 11 features which are available with this one. So if you go to connection and sharing, you get cast option, smart network option, and private DNS option. Then you have lock screen, you get double tap to wake, then always show notifications, and wake lock screen for notifications, smart cover mode. Then you have display, you get brightness level, maximum brightness on call, and dark mode is there. However, I'll suggest not to turn on the global dark mode because it messes up with Facebook. Also, if you reboot the phone, even though it may look like enabled in the settings, but it doesn't work if you reboot the phone. You have to turn it off and turn on again. And there's an option to use the new MIUI LAN fonts. If you select this option, it switches to the new MIUI LAN fonts. Then you have under sound to option to change the default adjusting volume option to ringtone, and then notifications, nothing much. Home screen are all the basic options for the launcher, and if you go to password and security, you have fingerprint unlock, face unlock, all are working fine. And battery and performance, basic battery statistics like battery saver, ultra battery saver, which is new to MIUI 11. Additional settings, you get option for full screen display, and all the other generic options. Then you have developer options, which you have to enable by clicking on the build number 7 times, and scroll right to the bottom. You get screenshot in any app. This allows you to take screenshot in secure apps, use digital well-being instead of screen time, extended power menu, Google feed, show search bar, app title in 2 lines, show icon shadows. So right now I haven't enabled digital well-being because it's a standard Android feature which comes with many OSP ROMs, and I wanted to show you guys screen time. It has a new interface, gives you quite a lot of details. Like if you click here, see system apps, social networks, other, and then you can set device screen time limits, app screen time limits, and focus mode. So focus mode, it gives you this kind of warning wherein it will only give you basic functionality, and all the other features will be disabled. Then you have special features, game turbo, quick replies, and second space. So there are a few changes under the change log. It was mentioned that if you go to pro mode in the camera, you see information icon. However, it's all in Chinese, so not much there, but it's pretty well optimized ROM. And if you change the kernel from Optimus Drunk to Pendulum, it's awesome. So do give it a shot and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you and have a great day.